Hey everyone, once again welcome back. Today video is about database stuff. How we can create the database in the server, how to import the database in the server, how to export the database into the server, right? So how to manually drop the tables into the server and so on, right? So how you can execute the commands. Okay, so let's get started. So in the previous video we are deploying our application here. So now the time is to the visit here database stuff. So close this domain stuff. Let me go here domain. Yes, you can also set the redirects, like if you have some website and you change your domain, right? So you want to set up some redirects, like if user visit this domain, so this will be redirected on a different domain, so you can set here. Okay, and another is database. So here just click on this management, and it's asking us to create a new database. This one would be the database name, this one would be the username, right, password and so on. So I'm going to create a new app here. So my name would be this one, and our create databases are here, right? Okay, so name this demo app, right? This would be our database name, and this will be also with this prefix, right? So this will be automatically applied. And here I'm also going to give the same name. This would be also same, and this would be also same. So our username and database password will be same. Okay, and here you can generate the password like this one. Let me go here. Why it's not generating? Let me clear this out to generate this password. Okay, it's not generating this password. This option is basically to generate the random password, right? So maybe I need to refresh the web page, but I'm going to enter my own password, right? Okay, so here you can simply enter the password like these @ slash, like this, because this one makes your password stronger, right? Like this. I'm going to save this, so let me note this somewhere. No, I'm not going to create this database and then connect with someone. Okay, simply click on this create. It says must contain at least one number. Okay, great. This would also make it secure, so let me add this different number. Must contain at least one number and one uppercase letter. Okay, great. Let me make this H capital. Create, and at least one number and one uppercase and lowercase. Okay, let me add this lowercase here. Click on this create, and yes, it's in the processing. Okay, yes, database created successfully, and this would be our database, right? And this one would be on this one, right? Because we have multiple domains. Okay, so here now how to open this into the PHP MyAdmin. So go here, and here you can change your password permission and so on things. But if you want to open this into the PHP MyAdmin, simply click on it, and this will be opened into the PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so it's redirecting us on the PHP MyAdmin, and yes, our database is created here, which don't have any tables, right? So here you can create your table, like I want to create the user table, so simply click on this user table, and then it will show you that which parameter you want, which mean column you want to create it here. So it's totally up to you, right, how you set up these things. I'm not going to draw the database structured here because I'm shooting this for how you can deploy your application. I'm not pointing you out here that how to create the database stuff. So you already know about this. You are a good developer. That's why you are on this stage. Okay, so we have this application, but let's think about this. For example, we have a database, right, where we want to some import some data. We want to export some database and import into it. So how to do this? So I have a few databases in my local server, right? So let me run the laravel here to run my local databases. If you don't know what is laragon. Laragon is basically development. It's providing us a development server. So if you want to run your application server side application, so you need the any server side stuff, right? I'm using laragon, and I have created a series on it that how you can install the laragon in your system, right? Okay, so here I have the database is this bed system, right? Okay, I created this for users. Okay, just click on this export. There is top button, and then simply go ahead and click on this export. Okay, great, this one is now exported. If I go here and open this, so this one is bedsystem.sql file, right? So now I'm going to close this out and go back, and here I want to import this, right? So now how to import this into this database? So first we have this user table, right? Let me drop this table here because I don't want to accept this user table here, because this bed system also contain the users table. So let's drop this. So if you want to run any of the queries, so simply click on this SQL, and here you can use your drop statement. I think you cannot use drop statement here, it wouldn't allow you. Drop table. Okay, what's the table name? User. But let's give it a try. Maybe it's not restricting us. Yes, it's not restricting us, but if we will go here and drop this database, it will ask us to you do not run the drop command on the server. Give it a click on this go. Yes, this same error, drop statements are disabled, so you cannot drop the database, but you can drop the tables, right? Okay, this one is now empty database, and I want to import my local database into it, and we have already exported this, right? Simply click on this import, choose a file, this one, right? This would be inside the downloads, so this one would be the file. Open it here, and yes, this one is detected here. Oh my god, let me choose it again, because I was open the user again. Okay, there is a button of go, click on it, and yes, database imported successfully, right? So in this way you can import your database, right? So now question arises that how we can connect this application with our connect this database with our application. So simply go here. This one would be the database name, this one would be the username, this one, and the password we set is here, right? This one is a password, and the port is you can check your own server port which one is, right? By default it's accept the, if you install the laravel application, so it's accept the default port, so you don't need to specify the manual ports here, right? So that's it for the database stuff. And in the next video we are going to work with the FTP, how you can set up the FTP, and then use deploy your application using the PuTTY. So I will meet you in the next one, and if you like this video, subscribe the channel and stay tuned. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.